Midnight. It's choreographed by Judy McDonald. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing a few rotations of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn after midnight. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward right, step forward left. Now, this is the part that you have a little bit of liberty in which way you choose to do it. Socially, when you're dancing it with a bunch of other people, most people rock forward and back. So we're going to take our right foot, you're going to quickly rock it forward, recover back, quickly rock it back, and recover forward. The step sheet has you touching your toe forward and bumping your hips. You go touch, bump, recover. Then you would do that back, touch back, bump, recover. An extra hoppy way of doing it is that you could hop your feet out, in, out, in. So you would hop both feet out, right, left, angling your body to the left. The right foot would come forward. Then you would hop them back center. Then you would do it the opposite way. Your right foot would go back and you would hop out, then come back center. The choice is yours. Most people socially do a quick little rocking chair with a little bit of a hip. So when we do that, you're doing your 2 walks. I'm going to just do the rock. You do which one works best for you. We're going to walk forward, forward, rock, recover, rock back, recover. Then we're going to repeat that. 2 walks forward, step left, and then you're going to do that rock again. Rock right forward, recover, rock right back, recover. And you can add a little bit of a hip. So let's try it with some counts. We're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. It's important that you're putting that weight onto your left foot to start section 2. We're going to do a right lock step back. So we're going to step our right foot back, bring our left foot over, across our right, and then step back with our right foot. We're now going to do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. You're now going to touch your right toe forward, and we're going to bump our hip, right, left, left. Now we're going to take our right heel, place it forward, and we're going to quickly step our right foot next to our left, and then step our left next to our right, doing a heel ball change. So let's try that all with some counts. You're starting with your lock step back. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a triple forward. So we're going to step forward right, bring our left foot into our right, right foot forward. We're now going to do a rocking quarter turn. So we're going to rock forward with our left, quickly recover onto our right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side. You're now at 9 o'clock. And now we're going to repeat that. So we're going to shuffle forward with our right, right forward, left together, right forward. We're going to rock forward with our left, quickly recover onto our right, and make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the side to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. You're doing that triple forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to point our right toe to the right side, touch our right toe next to our left, put your right heel forward, and then step your right foot next to your left. We're now going to do a side mambo. We're going to rock our left foot to the left side, quickly recover onto your right, and step your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that. So we're going to touch our right toe to the side, touch it together, put our right heel forward, step our right foot next to our left, and then you're going to do your side rock together, end of dance, and you would start all over again. So let's try it with some counts. We're pointing to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. You would end with your weight on your left foot, facing 6 o'clock to start wall 2. So now let's turn to face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Your weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk right, left, rock forward, rock back, walk, walk, rock forward, rock back, lock, step, back, left, coaster, step, touch, bump, and heel ball step. Triple forward, rock, recover, quarter, triple forward, rock, recover, quarter, touch, out, in, heel, step, rock, and together. Point out, in, heel, step, rock, and together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance the 2 walls all the way through without worrying about tags or restarts. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance, so 2 front walls, 2 back walls, just so that you can practice it. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we are going to do counts. Weight is going to be on your left foot. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, rock, recover, back, rock, recover, walk, walk, rock, forward, rock, back, and lock, step back with your coaster, step, bump, and heel, ball, step. Triple forward, rock and quarter turn, triple forward, rock and quarter turn. Point, touch, heel, step, side, rock together. Point, touch, heel, step, side, rock together. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Walk, walk, rock forward, rock back, and walk. Walk, rock forward, rock back, and lock, step back, coaster, step, bump, and heel, ball, step. Triple forward, rock and quarter turn, triple forward, rock and quarter turn. Point, touch, heel, step, side, rock together. Point, touch, heel, step, side, rock together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So like I said, for that first section, you kind of have some liberty in how you do those rock steps. You could focus on your hips, you could do the rocks, or you could do those hop out, in, whatever one makes you feel good dancing this dance. I hope this helped you learn after midnight. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.